Hello, and thanks so much for stopping by. Today I'll be making s'mores pie. Let's get started. Okay, here I have two packets of instant pudding and pie filling. See? By Hershey's. My goodness. There you go. Cut this open. That chocolate smells so sweet. I'm going to add 2 cups of heavy cream. Mm. That's 2 plus 2. That's 2 cups per box. I'm going to mix this well. So that's going to take a little muscle, only a couple minutes though. If you don't want to do it this way, feel free to use your mixer, electric. Okay, now here I have some marshmallow cream and of course my pie shell, graham cracker crust, this is our top, don't throw it away. I'm just going to add some of this cream to the bottom. Oh, I can't believe my crust broke, but we must keep pressing on. I think I may have dropped it too hard when I shot for it, put it inside the car. See how that's happening? Don't worry though. Just make sure you don't break yours. And of course you put it, I can't believe the way it's coming apart, really. It's never happened to me before like that. Okay, that's plenty, in my opinion. And so we're going to add some pudding on top of this. My grandson. I can't believe it's coming loose like that. For real? I didn't know I broke it that badly. But my grandson loves s'mores. Oops. Get it on in there. I'm trying to be careful. You see what just happened to me. But like I said, when you go into the store to get yours, be very careful. Make sure it's not broken. Lift up the inside tab so you can see up under. And bring it home carefully. Okay? Don't do me that way. It's not going to need a lot of chill time either. Although, I'm going to let mine sit in the fridge for about 15-20 minutes or something like that. Well, you know, there's no such thing as things always going perfect in the kitchen. Highly impossible. Things happen sometimes, and this is one of those times. But it's going to be delicious. Trust me. Okay, that's enough filling, I think. What do you think? I have enough to make another one here. Let me set this aside. So I'm going to that's tasty. I'm going to set this in the fridge for about 20 minutes. While that's happening, I have some graham crackers that I'm going to just crumble in here, and use a good brand, because all graham crackers are not created equal. Some of them taste horrible, in my opinion. I just wanted you to see the crumbles. Okay. It has been 20 minutes in the fridge, and my graham crackers that I ground up. You can add as much as you want. Alright, that should do it. And I have some mini marshmallows. You know they're sticky. That's marshmallows for you. And the layer at the bottom of the, you can put it on thicker, but like, you see my crust, store-bought crust crumble. So that wouldn't have worked out too well, but if you have a better crust, then you can add more. It depends on you, how much they like marshmallow. So I'm going to finish this up. Okay, we have that done. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in the oven. Put your oven on broil. You're going to put it in the oven for about a minute and a couple seconds. I don't know your oven, so make sure you keep your eye in it, because you don't want to burn them. You just want to toast them like you do when you're making s'mores, right? Right. Okay, in the oven we're going. And that took about a minute. So now, and remember my store-bought, I'll say it again, my store-bought crust is crumbling. So it might not be such a beautiful sight, but it will for you if you make your own crust or you're just careful with the one that you buy in the store. Check it and check it twice. Let's see what we have here. Oh. I have it in this warm water because I want it to slice nicely. You know, this is nice and sticky. Dang, I wish my crust is a little more together. And I want you to see what it looks like from the inside too. Let's see if you can add more underneath. Can you see it? More underneath if you like. You make it thick as you want on the top of that crust. I'll let you see in here. I don't know if you can see it well. So now we're going to taste. Yay! Sticky, sticky. That is really good, and the kids are gonna love it. One more. Yum. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you. Pray for them, pray for us. Don't stop praying. Pray. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe and tap that bell if you haven't, and if you have, thank you. Share with friends and family, and comment. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, eat well, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay blessed. Bloop. I love you. Later. Make some of this for the kids. Yep.